Let me show you how to make this bofrot or puff puff. It's very simple to make and let's get started. To make this, we need flour and we are using hard flour here. You can use all-purpose flour. Make sure you sift your flour to ensure that you chop all the foreign materials that may come with the flour. And one important thing is that whenever you sift your flour, it makes it very easy for you to work with it as well. So after sifting, our flour is okay. So just make sure you sift it very well. Now we'll introduce some sugar. You can adjust the sugar depending on what works for you. Now we want to introduce some nutmeg for flavor and we add some salt also to taste. Now we want to go ahead and introduce yeast. Make sure you go to the description because I'll have all of these measurements right there for you. Stir these and ensure that everything is well incorporated. Now we create a well and then we want to go in with some warm water. It helps a lot, not hot. Warm water. This is what's going to help the yeast to activate very well. You can put your water into this bit by bit so you don't overdo it. Another tip is that you want to stir this or mix this very well to ensure that you really need additional water. If you do not do that, you might add water and then you just overdo it. So at this stage, I realized I needed more. So I'm just adding a little bit of that and I'll mix. It's still warm water anyway. So mix very well. And this is just perfect because we are going to use this to mix everything together until we get a very smooth consistency, just like this. So this is like a way of kneading. You know, the dry bofrot we knead, but this we are using the spatula to do it this way. Ensure to always scrape the side of your bowl so that you get everything into the mixture and you continue to mix very well to get a smooth consistency. If today is your first time coming across this channel, thank you so much for stopping by and supporting this community. Also, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by once again. Do not forget to like this video, share it, and also comment your thoughts. And make sure to subscribe if you haven't done that yet because subscribing is just free of charge. You are not charged for it at all. So you do that by supporting this channel and make sure you click the bell notification icon so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. If you want to know how to make the dry bofrot, click on the card right here at the top and then you'll be able to get that video. It will also be linked in the description as well. This consistency is perfect. Let's cover this and let it sit for 30 to 45 minutes, after which you should have something just like this. We want to just take the excess air from it by doing it this way. Just do that to take out the excess air because we do not want all of that. This is okay. So make sure you take your time to really beat it. You can use your clean hands. If you have a spatula, just use a spatula. At this stage, you can heat up some oil. Okay. Do not let the oil heat too much because you don't want that. And this is how we are going to drop it into the oil, just like this. So do not heat your oil too much. If you do that, it's going to cook very fast on the outside without cooking on the inside. So just drop it like this and then trust me, take your time. It will brown on the other side. You flip it over until you achieve a golden brown color. Also, one tip I want you to know is that you don't want it to brown very well in the oil before you take it out, else it will become dark afterwards. You know, these things, whenever they are resting and there's still heat in them, the cooking process is still taking place. So you want to really try your best to do it well. And this, we are adding the next batch. You want to repeat this procedure until you exhaust everything. And you should have a very good looking wet bofrot. If you love this video, do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done that yet. Share it to your friends and loved ones and also comment your thoughts in the comment section and read the description to get all the details you will need to make this. Our bofrot is just ready, and you can see right here that it's ready to be enjoyed with our porridge or anything else you desire to pair it with. And I would see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe. Bye.